Hey guys, iPhones are considered to be one of the best phones in the world. They're also one of the costliest phones in the world, and a lot of people aspire to buy the latest iPhone but can't really afford to do so. But what if I could tell you that there's a way you could win a brand new iPhone 13 for free? Well, for 500 bucks, 600 bucks, or even less than that. What am I talking about? I am talking about a giveaway. Well, what giveaway? Wait, the whole video is about that. I'm talking about the Macmerise iPhone 13 giveaway. Now, a lot of you might be wondering what are these figures that I mentioned 500, 600, or even less than that? Well, I have mentioned those figures because of a new golden key that we are releasing. If you purchase any product from Macmerise before the giveaway ends, you are going to receive a golden key with 30 extra entries. Now imagine someone with 10 entries and imagine yourself with 40 entries. You obviously have an edge and a higher chance of winning a new iPhone 13. By the way, the iPhone 13 has arrived in the office and we will be giving you a sneak peek soon. But do note the giveaway is ending in 3 days. Now, you guys must be wondering, okay, we got your point, but how do we avail this? It's simple. Go to the link given down below in the description. Once you do that, go to the website, buy the product of your choice. Once you've bought the product, you're going to receive an email. At the bottom of the email, you're going to find the golden key. This golden key should be entered in the giveaway page and you will unlock 30 extra entries. So what are you waiting for? Go buy a great cover for your new iPhone 13 and get an iPhone 13 from Macmerise. Well, that is if you win. But I'm sure with the extra edge that I'm giving you, one of you is going to be very, very lucky soon. See you in 3 days when we reveal the winner of the giveaway. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.